didn't see you there. Well, today we're going to be teaching polynomials. Reteaching polynomials. What is a polynomial function? Well, a polynomial function is a function such as a quadratic, a cubic, a quartic, and so on, involving only non-negative integer powers of x. A polynomial with a second degree is called a quadratic function. A polynomial to the third degree is called a cubic function. A polynomial to the fourth degree is called a quartic function. X to the fifth degree is a quintic function. And I apologize for my doctor handwriting.
Okay, so a function with only one x value would be called a monomial, and then one with two x values would be called a binomial, and then one with three would be called a trinomial, and then one with four or more would be called a polynomial.
Okay, so we're doing synthetic division now. So in order to divide polynomials with using a division, you must be dividing a linear expression, and which the leading coefficient, the first number, should be 1. So for example, you can use synthetic division by like x plus 3, correct, or x minus 6, but you can't do something like with the power of 2, like x squared plus 2, or 3x squared minus x. These are not working. So we're doing an example with this polynomial, and then we're gonna divide it by x plus 3, or x minus 3, never mind. So this one should be 3, and we're just putting this in a synthetic division form, which is, so this goes over here. There should be x squared, x cubed, but then it's not included in this form, so x squared part should be 0, so this part is 0, and x squared is 1, and x is negative 5, and the constant is 2. And okay, so this 3 goes over here, so if you're dividing it by 3. So when you're doing it, the first number doesn't multiply with anything, it just drops down. So it's 2. And then you're multiplying 3 by 2. You're multiplying with the first number. So 3 times 2 is 6. 6. And now you're adding 0 plus 6. You're adding whatever the product you have. So 6 goes on the top bottom. And then you're multiplying 3 times 6 again, which is 18. And then you're adding 1 and 18, so it's 19. And then you're multiplying it, and you get 57. And then 57 plus negative 5 is 52. And then multiply again, and you get 156, which is 158. So 158 is the remainder. And when you put this in, you'll get 2x3 plus 6x cubed plus 19x plus 52. The result will be decreased by 1 power, so which is gonna be x cubed.
Alright, now we're going to be covering multiplicity, and let's give an example. Like in this function, we'll have, let's say, x minus 3 squared, and then this is factored, by the way. Yeah, it's factored form, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and then say x. So this is to the third degree, and how we're going to indicate this on the graph, since this is squared, that means that this value appears twice. And let's show that on the graph. So that means it's going to move 3 forward, 2 back, and then 3 again. And to indicate that, you're going to have it like bouncing off of the x-axis. And then since it's going to be positive, we're going to want to start from over here. So it's directly going through the x-axis for this value over here, but for these values over here, it's bouncing off of it, which indicates it has a multiplicity of some value.